Most of the Indians use or know about the typical green color vitamin E Evion capsule. But do you know this Evion is a synthetic vitamin E, not derived from petroleum products, not from natural resources at all. And that's why it is very less potent and very less absorbed in the bloodstream. So what are the natural vitamin E? There are two types of natural vitamin E. The first is conventional tocopherol vitamin E, which is derived from sesame oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, and peanuts. And the second is newer tocotrienol vitamin E, which is derived from palm oil and rice bran oil. Both tocopherol and tocotrienol vitamin E has lot of antioxidant properties, means it removes toxins from the blood, protects us against free radical damage, and enhances our immune function. Both tocopherol and tocotrienol vitamin E are available in three versions. First in capsule form, second as a cream version, as a skin moisturizer, and third as a hair serum. Both tocopherol and tocotrienol vitamin E, when go in the cells, it does water retention inside the cell. That's why it is going to hydrate our body, skin, and hair internally as well as externally. That's why they help a lot in eczema, allergy, and inflammatory dry skin conditions, and in hair loss and baldness. But do you know that the newer version tocotrienol vitamin E is having much superior antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties than the conventional tocopherol vitamin E? Tocotrienol only is capable to reduce cholesterol level in your blood. That's why it helps in fatty liver. Tocotrienol vitamin E only protects us against radiation damage, and that's why it has anti-cancer properties, and that's why it is being used in many neurological, eye, bone, joint, kidney, and heart diseases. So, if you are on conventional vitamin E Evion capsule or on tocopherol vitamin E capsule, you should consult a nearby dermatologist and get it changed to the newer one, tocotrienol vitamin E capsule.